Is your 2014-2021 Subaru Forester key fob acting up? Unresponsive buttons or a weak signal often point to a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a quick and easy fix, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the simple process. The 2014-2021 Subaru Forester key fob uses a CR20032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Ensure you purchase a high-quality brand like Duracell or Panasonic to avoid potential corrosion or leakage. Generic batteries are often less reliable. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores and supermarkets. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to pry open the key fob. Some models may also have a small Phillips head screw. A non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or even your fingernail, is helpful for removing the old battery without damaging the fob's internal components. Locate the seam on the side or back of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam. Twist to separate the two halves of the fob. For models with a screw, remove it before prying. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, positive side up. Use your non-metallic tool to gently pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original battery's position. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. If your model had a screw, reinstall it. Now, test the key fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. The doors should lock and unlock as expected. If your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, here are the common issues and solutions. First, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up toward the circuit board. Second, ensure the battery terminals are clean and making good contact. Corrosion can prevent proper connection. In rare cases, the key fob may need reprogramming. Try cycling the vehicle's ignition on and off. If issues persist, consult a dealer. Finally, cold temperatures can affect battery performance. The fob may work better when warmed up. While this method applies to 2014-2021 models, newer Subaru models and the automotive industry are moving towards app-based and rechargeable key systems, reducing the need for coin batteries. Remember to recycle your old CR2032 battery responsibly. Look for local battery recycling programs in your area.